that Hamza is Hamzatul Wasal. We have to remember that. So you will say kalama nisnani, kalama nisnani. But for emphasis, sometimes we say kalamani, then you pause and you say ifnani. It's okay, brothers and sisters. Sometimes you will only say kalamani, and that gives you the idea of two. But in order to emphasize more, then we say ifnani. But if you did not use ifnani, still the kalamani conveys the idea that it is two. Okay, brother? And then we come to number 3 to 10. This is the main part of our study. Because here the numbers undergo major change, brothers and sisters. In English also you will say 3 pens, 4 books, 5 chairs. You are using plural. Remember? 3 pens, 4 books. Still, the books and pens and chairs and students, we are using them as a plural. Same thing comes here. Okay? But if you see the construction of the sentence, if you see it, okay, we observe that this construction looks very familiar. This construction looks like it is mudaf and mudaf ilayhi. And that is correct. The construction is mudaf and mudaf ilayhi. Because I can see kasra, which means mudaf ilayhi is majroor, and it is majroor. Mudaf ilayhi is always majroor, and it is majroor. And we have here salasatu. Are you with me? Salasatu. There is no al. There is no tanween, because mudaf does not have al and tanween. Okay? And then we have single dhamma. Now this single dhamma can be single fatah, and it can be single kasra, depending on the use of the noun in the sentence. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? So, salasatu kutubin. What do you say? Salasatu kutubin. Literally, if I translate, 3 of books. See, I am using of just to emphasize mudaf mudaf ilayhi. Then I say 4 of pens. 4 of pens. Mudaf mudaf ilayhi. And I say 5 of students. But we don't use of. We say 3 books, 4 pens, 5 students. But the construction is of mudaf mudaf ilayhi. Sahi? Now, what would you call this? The mudaf? It's called al-adadu, because it is the number. Okay, and then what is the mudaf ilayhi? It's a noun. And what is it called? Ma'dud. Are you with me? Ma'dud. It is called ma'dud. Ma'dud. It's called ma'dud. Means things counted. Okay? And even if you say 3 books, 3 is the number, and books is the noun which is being counted. 3 books is the thing which is being counted. If I say 4 pens, the pens is what we are counting. Thing which is being counted. Okay. So we will remember this part, adad and ma'dud. Adad is number, ma'dud is the thing counted. Because this will help us later on in understanding a little bit deeper, inshallah. So this is it, brother. Okay. From 3 to 10, it is in the construction of mudaf and mudaf ilayhi. The number is mudaf, and the thing counted is mudaf ilayhi. But thing counted comes in plural. It comes in plural. As you can see, kutubin, aklamin, tullabin, these are all plurals. Now, very important thing to note is that when the thing counted is muzakkar, the number gets ta marbuta, becomes feminine. Are you with me? Do you see? When the thing counted is muzakkar, then the number got ta marbuta. It became muannas. So this is what we have to keep it in mind. Whenever the thing counted will be muzakkar, the number will change into muannas. And it will be vice versa. If the thing counted is muannas, the number will become muzakkar. Just to give you an example that is coming in the next lesson. We say khamsatu tullabin. Now I want to count female students. So what is the plural of female students? Talibatun. What is it? Talibatun. But I will make it mudaf ilayhi. It will become talibatin. Mudaf ilayhi. Okay? So I will write down here. Khamsu talibatin. Here I had khamsatu. And here khamsu. Why? Because the ma'dud is muannas. So the number will become muzakkar. Are you with me? In the beginning, it may seem like a little complicated, but we get used to it, inshallah. Are you with me, Sister Salma? So, see, again, I admire Dr. Abdurrahim, because in this lesson, it's only muzakkar. If the both were mixed together, then the lesson can become very difficult to absorb. So, like lesson number 19 is all muzakkar. Lesson number 20, muannas will come. So, inshallah, we will get a good practice. And inshallah, brother, on Thursday we will finish book 1. We'll finish. And next Monday, we will start book 2, inshallah. Okay? Now, in order to count 1 to 10, we have these numbers to bear in mind. And as you can see, the numbers are in muannas, especially from 3 to 10. Well, why in muannas? Because we are assuming the thing counted is muzakkar. What is it? We are assuming